Today, I'll show you some amazing AI tools that can make content creation super easy. Whether you want to turn text into videos, create content from images, or improve your videos, these tools will help you out. They're simple to use, save a lot of time, and can take your content to the next level. So, sit back and let's get started. Open your browser and search for Pollo.ai. You'll be greeted with this interface. Now, you need to create an account on the platform. Since I already have an account, I'll click on Login. You'll see this screen with two options. I'll choose Continue with Google. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this interface, where you have several options to streamline your workflow, including image to video, consistent character video, text to video, and video to video. At the bottom, you'll find ready-made templates that help you create content with just a few clicks. Let's discuss the first tool. On the left panel, you'll see more tools. Here, click on Text to Video. You'll be taken to a new interface where you can add a text prompt to generate a video. I'll enter the prompt. A stylish woman walks along a bustling Tokyo street, bathed in the warm glow of neon lights and vibrant animated signage. After entering the prompt, we can enhance it further using AI. To do this, select and copy the entire prompt. Then click on Generate with AI. A pop-up will appear. Paste the copied prompt here and click on Continue. The system will suggest related prompts that you can incorporate. I'll select one and click on Confirm. Next, choose the aspect ratio for your video. I'll select 16:9. Make sure the copy protection option is enabled, as this ensures that no one else can access your video prompt or the video itself. After that, click on the Create button. It may take up to 6 minutes to generate the video. This is a reasonable amount of time compared to other AI tools that can take much longer. Now, you'll see the video has been generated. It's a fantastic video created in less time. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can regenerate another version of video from the same prompt. If you wish to make any changes to the video, click on Reprompt, and you can modify the prompt in settings before regenerating the video. Now let's add some background music. Click on More and select Add Sounds. A new interface will appear. Ensure copy protection is still on, then click on the Generate button. After a short time, sounds and music will be added to your video. Finally, you can download the video. You can see the final results. It's a perfect video. Paollo AI doesn't just stop here. It offers multiple models tailored to your video creation needs. The Kling 1.6 model allows you to add ultra-realistic motions to your video. I will write a prompt, a chess match between AI and an alien, and click on Create. You can see it's generated a fantastic video. Another game-changer model is Llama AI. To try this, I will write a prompt. A cat is walking toward a flower, sniffing and licking it. Then I simply click on the Create button. You can see the final results. The next tool is Image to Video. This tool can create videos from images. To begin, click on Upload Image and select an image. After uploading, you'll see an interface where you can adjust the image size and frame. If you're not satisfied with the adjustments, you can click on Reset. Once you're happy with the settings, click on OK. Now, add your prompt. I'll write, "Two people hug each other in the picture." Next, choose the video duration. You can also enable or disable additional options. Then click on the Create button to generate the video. The tool will take some time, but it should generate a great video. Once it's done, you can download it. You'll see the final output, an amazing video that can grab viewers' attention on social media. Next is the Consistent Character Video tool. This maintains the same character in all the generated clips. All you need to do is upload the same image and provide a prompt, and your video is ready. Let's see how this works. First, upload the first image. A pop-up will appear. Click on OK. Then, upload 2 more images using the same method. Now, add a prompt for the video. I'll write, "In the park, a little boy and a puppy are having a picnic and playing on the grass by the lake." After entering the prompt, select the video aspect ratio. You can choose any option, but I'll select 9:16. Then, set the video duration, which I'll keep as default. Click on Create, and the tool will take some time to generate the video. Once it's done, you'll see the final result. You can use the picture of the video to video. This tool can convert normal videos into high-quality professional or animated videos. Not only that, but it can also make changes to your video. To start, upload a video. After that, choose an anime model from the available options. I'll use this one and click on it. If you want to make changes to the video, you can add a prompt. In my case, I don't need any changes, so I'll click on Create. The tool will take some time to process the video. Once it's done, and here is our animated video. Next, we have to enter a prompt. I'll write, a baby cat on a table in a TV lounge. You can also adjust the image style to your preference. Stick with the default model. Then, choose the number of images to generate. I'll select one, but you can choose according to your needs. The aspect ratio can also be adjusted, and I'll select 1:1. Finally, click on the Create button. You'll see that it has generated a perfect image based on your prompt, a beautifully detailed image. Next, we have the Template tab, where you can use AI templates. The first template is an amazing AI kissing template. This template allows you to generate videos like this one. To generate a video, upload an image, and you'll see a pop-up. Adjust the image scale and frame position, then click on OK. Upload another image in the same way. Once that's done, you don't need to adjust anything else. Just click on Create. The tool will generate a video in a few moments. Once it's done, you can see the final result. If you upload this video on social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube, your account could go viral in a matter of hours. Another template is the AI Squish effect, a perfect tool for creating viral content on social media. These types of reels are getting millions of views. It's simple to use. Click on Upload Image and choose your image. No additional settings required. Just click on Create. After a few moments, the tool will generate the perfect video. Next, go to the Explore tab at the top left side of the screen. Here, you can watch videos created by others that have received millions of views. Not only can you watch them, but you can also use them as templates for your own content. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Pollo.ai offers you multiple pricing plans. The free plan gives you 10 credits that you can use to test Paollo AI. If you want to do more work, you can choose $50. It's not expensive. The link is available in the description. Make sure to give it a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.